So in this video I'll be showing you how to backtest for free on your mobile device. It is also the same thing with your PC for those that have personal computer they can use, but for me I don't have a personal computer. That is why I decided to do it with my mobile. Yeah, that's what I'm using to make my videos for now. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. Now I have to go to Chrome. Because we want to search for Traders Casa. When you type it, reload it to bring it to this interface. So it should be SA, not SAI. We have sign in and sign up here, as you can see. So we're going to sign in, or rather sign up. Click on sign in with Google. It's just an easy way just for you to select if your Google account that you want to use. So I selected one of my Google accounts. This you can see fsbright@gmail.com. Continue. Now you can see our dashboard. You can see here, you will see your profit that you're making while backtesting. And also here in this area you're going to see your win rate for the and for the backtesting you are doing. Everything is well structured. I haven't done any backtesting with this account. I made it specially for this video. So let's dive into it and create a backtesting session for you. Click on let's go. Now you can see new session. You click on plus session name. You can just say GBP USD session. You can choose your starting balance. Let me choose a starting balance of $500. Let me say $1,000. Select the pair you want to trade. You can hover around the pairs that are shown here to select the one you want to select. You can still select gold, BTC USD for crypto and Ethereum, US 30 indices, S&P 500, NAS 100, and so on. For the sake of this video, I'll be making use of GBP USD. Now you can see we are on February 16th of February 2025. Now I don't want to backtest something that happened recently, so I want to go back in time. That's why I call it backtesting. I want to go back something like at least 2024 March. Let me say 6th of March. This is how you just set it up. everything. When it is done, you press save. The session has been created. EBP session, balance $1,000, date 6th of March 2024. You click on play. You wait as it is loading. Now this the speed of the candle, you can this here, you can adjust it to your satisfaction the way you want. You get. Then on this let me show you. On this thing that looks like box here, you know, this thing that looks like box, you can use it to move these tools over this chart. Watch me do it. I want to move it from there. Now I click on that and drag it anywhere I want to click it. Then for the tool, the same thing, you drag it, keep it so you have space for the chart. This is just your like your normal trading view. You do everything. This is your time. Click on this place to select your time frame. You can start them based on the ones you use, based on how you want to use them, and so on. But what some of the things that are not present here are the indicator. For indicator based traders, you won't find most of your favorite indicators here. Yeah, that's one of the things that you can't find there. But if you're doing pure backtesting on normal on strategy that doesn't base mostly on indicators, you can do it here freely. Yeah, that's it. Now you can also change do your normal changing of candle colors, everything, as long as you know how to use your trading view. Whatever you do in trading view, you can do it here. This is it. You can start backtesting. This, you use this to change the rate at which the candle is going. You can see it's going very fast. You can also increase it to be more faster. You can see. So I can also reduce it to be very slow. Just whichever the one that suits you, you do it. And there's no other thing that I want to show you. You know, these are your tools where you can get your tools depending on the one you're using. That's all. Then another thing is that you are going to be having ad just about 26 seconds out. It doesn't take much of your time, but this is a nice backtesting though. Okay, another thing I forgot to tell you, that you can also place your position. Remember, you started with a one. Okay, this is the ad. Now this is where you open your position. At this point, this is where you open your position. You click on it. You put, if you are using limit, you put your limit. You type in the figures. Type in your stop loss. Type in your take profits, whatever it is. Then this is your risk percent. Your risk, we don't use lot here. You use percentage. You calculate the percentage of that lot equivalent. Then you put it. You hit 1% or 10%. You put it. Then when you're done putting everything, you place trade. Click on place trade to place trade. But this also this market here is for instant market execution. If you want to buy at current market price or sell at current market price, you use it market for it. Stop is stop order as usual. Alright, that's it for the video. Do well to smash the like button, subscribe for more educative videos like this, and turn on notification whenever I post videos so that you'll be the first to be notified. Yeah, thank you.